Hello, my dear friend, class 9. Now, today I am going to discuss about the third summative test syllabus. That is lesson 10, the price of bananas, written by Muluk Raz Anand. So, Muluk Raz Anand was a prolific writer, very popular and productive, fruitful writer, popular and productive and fruitful writer who earned great admirations for his short stories and novels like Cooley's Untouchable, The Village, etc. Very depicted, very actually, measured, described the lives of the poorer caste in traditional Indian society. Means his writing provides you the real status of Indian society, how the poor peoples are living in India, and how the higher class actually behave to them. So, what is casteism and how the rich people behaved with the lower class peoples, that was totally clear in his writings. একজন প্রোডাক্টিভ রাইটার হিসাবে, লেখক হিসাবে, বিখ্যাত ঔপন্যাসিক এবং শর্ট স্টোরি রাইটার হিসাবে মুলুক রাজ আনন্দ সারা ভারতবর্ষে তথা পৃথিবীতে বিখ্যাত। তার স্টোরিগুলোর মধ্যে কুলি, আনটাচেবল, দ্য ভিলেজ এরকম ধরনের প্রচুর গল্প তার রয়েছে, যে গল্পগুলো অ্যাকচুয়ালি ডিসক্রাইবস অ্যাবাউট দ্য ডিফারেন্স ইন সোসাইটি, সমাজের মধ্যে যে দ্বিধা বিভক্ত, উচ্চ শ্রেণী, নিম্ন শ্রেণী, গরিব মানুষ, এদের যে বিহেভিয়ারিয়াল যে তফাৎ, সেটাই কিন্তু তার গল্পে খুব সুন্দরভাবে ফুটে উঠেছে। সো ইফ ইউ স্টাডি, you will get the ancestral or the normal way of our social changes and normal way of the social behavior. It's quite clear. This text, The Price of Bananas, it's a very common title, that how a monkey actually wants the price of a clothes in exchange of banana. Means getting banana, how a monkey transferred the lion clothes of the businessman. And through this story, Muluk Raj Anand actually inform us about the social discrimination, social difference very clearly. So that great man got the Padma Vibhushan and Sahitya Academy Award. This great man was died on 2004 and 28th September. The birthday and the death day actually same, 28th. So these are the unknown words. You just try to write down this one. So this text actually the abridged version, actually summarized version of the story, the same name, The Price of Banana, and presents an apparently funny situation openly. It's give a open joy, open fun, where a businessman has the beloved calf seized by a monkey. The businessman monkey was actually taken away, snatched away, জোর করে নিয়ে পালিয়ে যাওয়া, ছোঁ মেরে নিয়ে পালিয়েছিল a monkey, and finally gets it back by offering the offending monkey a bunch of bananas. But after all a few hours, how a fruit seller given the bunch of banana to him, and the intelligent monkey returned it. But throughout the tone of the story is light-hearted. The author notes with a sad conscience the unkind and unjust behavior of the businessman towards the poor fruit vendors who had helped him to get back his cab. So the character is here the fruit seller, fruit vendor, who tried his level best and restore the honor of the businessman, but in exchange of this honor, the businessman behaved badly. He did not offer the price of the banana, what he actually returned from the monkey. In that text, that was quite clear the different character, the fruit vendor, the businessman, the monkey, the local passenger of the train, all is clear to hear. So my dear friend, now I am starting to discuss about the story. So before going to story, write down who is Muluk Ras Anand, why he was popular among the all kinds of readers, what are the informations do we get from his great short stories and novels, what is the message do we get from the story The Price of Banana. So let's start the story. এবার আমরা গল্পটার মূল বিষয়বস্তুতে চলে যাব। তাহলে চরিত্রগুলো তোমরা লিখেছো। I was on my from Faizabad railway stations to Lucknow. I had arrived at the stations half an hour in advance of the time for the train's departure. I sat on a bench watching the monkeys frolicking on the trees and on the open platform. Here I, the narrator Muluk Ras Anand, once upon a time, he was travelling by a train and waiting for the train at the Faizabad railway station. So Faizabad railway station থেকে তিনি যাবেন কোথায়? He was going to Lucknow. So half an hour before the time of the train, he reached to the station, departure time, leaving time of the train. He entered into the station. He sat down on the bench of the station, wherefrom he watched how the monkey was actually coming and going, frolicking, is actually up and down, means go here and there on the open platform. The monkeys descended now and then to collect half-sucked mango stones and the remainders of food from the platform. The younger monkeys sat on the boughs of neem and tamarind trees, ready to jump after any food that may be visible. So it's a normal situation at the Faizabad railway station. এটা একটা দৃশ্য যেটা তিনি অবজার্ভ করেছেন, যে মাঙ্কিরা কি হচ্ছে মাঝে মাঝে নামছে, ডিসেন্ডেড নাও অ্যান্ড দেন, কখনো নামছে and collect the half-sucked mangoes. Ardhek chosa means half-eaten mangoes are actually fallen there, here and there, and they have taken this one. And all the monkeys had eaten the remainders, the last part of it, and threw it to the platform. So what did the younger monkey do? Well, this is the normal monkey. So where he was waiting, where the narrator Muluk Ras Anand was waiting, how long he was waited for the train there, what did the monkey are doing, what did the younger monkey are doing on the platform. They were sitting on the tamarind pot or a neem tree. It's a kind of tree, tetul gach, neem gacher moddhe tara boshe ache, and they were ready to jump any kind of food if they had seen to pass away just under them. Now the second paragraph. Just then the train was announced by the ringing of the station's bell. I concentrated on the securing a seat of myself in the train. I got a window seat overlooking the platform. Some of the passengers joined me in the compartment. We were all sweating from the rising heat of the summer. So what is the season? That was summer season. The narrator entered into the compartment with a lot of crowd, and just securing, he took a seat. He actually gathered a seat just before the window. উইন্ডোর সামনে সে একটা কিন্তু সিট জোগাড় করে ফেলেছিল। And some other passengers joined me in the compartment. Other passengers also joined with the narrator, and everyone sweating. সবাই কিন্তু ঘেমে গিয়েছিল। কেন? Because it was summer. Extreme heat was there. তাহলে how was the season and how did the narrator got the seat in the train? Several passengers were busy filling up their small earthen pitchers from a water pump. I was struck by the genius of a monkey in snatching away lion claws of a powerless person who was taking a bath under the pump. So it was no doubt a funny situation that everyone actually taking the water with their mud pitcher, মাটির কলসিতে তারা জল নিচ্ছিল for the journey, and they would drink the water on the way of the journey যাতে রাস্তায় তাদের জলের কোনো প্রবলেম না হয়. And I was struck by the genius of the monkey. On that time, the narrator was actually actually hurt. Means he was surprised with the incident that a monkey snatched away lion claws of a person, একটা ব্যক্তির a pious ব্যক্তি, a religious person who was bathing on the under the pump, পাম্পের মধ্যে যিনি স্নান করছিলেন তার ক্লথসটা নিয়ে চলে গেছে. A great deal of general amusement was caused by this incident, and it was created a new situations to all. The bather then requested the monkey to return the lion claws. Barbar request করছে. He was requesting several times to get back it. The monkey was generous and threw it down from the neem tree and to the men's feet. So a simple monkey, a general behavior monkey, now after a lot of request, he threw it towards the pious man and it was suspended. So while this was going on, I noticed a gentleman come up to our compartment. He looked like a businessman. On that moment, a businessman actually entered into the compartment. Why he was looking a businessman? Because he was dressed up in a white Muslim dhoti, a delicate tunic and an embroidered cap on his head. That was the normal appearance of a businessman. Muslim dhoti, it's a Muslim, it's a costly dhoti, a delicate tunic and an embroidered cap on his head. A porter was carrying his luggage, which included a big steel trunk, several small baskets and a brass jaw. The man was shouting at the porter to hurry up with the luggage. Suddenly a monkey leaped down from the top of our compartment and snatched away the fine embroidered cap of the businessman. That was the story, twist of the story. Means a porter again coolie actually carrying the whole luggage of the businessman, and businessman, what are the coolie's things? What are the things actually carried by the coolie? The steel trunk, several small basket, অনেক ছোট ছোট basket আছে, একটা brass jug আছে, ধাতুর jug একটা আছে, আর কি আছে? In that time, the businessman actually shouted so loudly to the coolie to go fast because the train will depart. In that moment, during the moment, the fine embroidered cap was snatched by the monkey within a minute. এক মিনিটের মধ্যে কিন্তু মাঙ্কিটা কোথা থেকে নেমে এলো, স্ন্যাচড করে ছুনিয়ে নিয়ে চলে গেল. The monkey then climbed up the neem tree. What have you done, monkey? The businessman shouted, in utter confusion. His round and smug face was covered with a perspiration. That was really a very painful situation for a businessman, honorable man. The monkey was actually the symbol of honor. He shouted loudly, requested loudly to the monkey with a confusion, with a doubt. He round here and there and suggested the monkey to return it, get back it, and he was perspirated. ঘেমে একদম সরবরাহ হয়ে গেছে. He ran towards the tree over the pump and stood threatening the monkey. Now he was not requesting now. After 2 or 3 times request, now he is threatening. তাকে ভয় দেখাচ্ছে, দিবি, you will let it give me or I will do something. However, the more he shouted, the monkey, the remoter the monkey became. যত চেঁচাচ্ছে monkey তত দূরে চলে যাচ্ছে. It was the same monkey that had snatched the bather's lion claws. এটা সেই monkeyটাই যে ওই সাধারণ pious ব্যক্তিটার ধার্মিক ব্যক্তিটির pious ব্যক্তিটির lion claws নিয়েছিল. Now that is the behavior, the different behavior what the narrator actually wanted to show you. If you behave simply, you get the simple behavior from others. If you behave roughly, so the other will behave roughly. That's what kind of behavior, why the monkey actually behaved too ways differently to the two men. একটা কোশ্চেন এখানে দিয়েছি, what are the things actually carried by the coolie? What is the appearance of the businessman? Why did the businessman perspire after snatched away the embroidered cap from his head? That's all, my dear friend. এরপর আস্তে আস্তে আমরা একটু ছোট ছোট করে যাব, and question bank, you have to do the question bank. It will going on properly check up and repetition of the last few lessons for the second summative test. Thank you very much for watching this channel.